Back at the cabin again, now for a couple of days, a bit less than last time. And there's quite a bit more bugs, but now this time I brought about 5 tubes of caulking. I went to go buy a 12 pack, so I might have enough to do maybe like one wall outside, or even repair the little air gaps that I left from last winter when I started doing the caulking. So I don't know what I'll do. Might start outside, might finish inside. I still have to strip down all the walls. I just started doing the door wall on the inside. I'm about like halfway done. It just takes a while. On the outside, you know, you're outside, so there's a lot more room, but inside it's a little bit cramped, but I'll get it done. Just finished now peeling this logs over here. So yeah, you can see the mess on the ground. Still have 3 more walls to do. Inside, like I said, there's the roof. You have to go around the door and such, you know, and since the tool's pretty long, I've been doing this with pretty much just a 1-inch wood chisel. Some logs, like the little, well, I guess you could say the smaller, younger trees, peel off a lot better. The other ones always have a little thin layer of like skin always left on them, but that falls off probably about after a year. What am I tripping on? Next is probably going to be this wall. I don't know. It's just a plain wall, but this wall isn't even bolted in yet. I have to order another pack of lag bolts. I need to skin this thing, caulk it, and then I'll be done with it. It should go pretty well because I don't have to go around the bolts or the nails or anything because it's not bolted in. Then, you know, I have all these things left to do. This whole wall, have to fill in these gaps. I came in, there was starting to have a little wasp nest behind this chimney, so I took it off. There was a wasp in it, killed it. Then there's going to be this wall. I guess the door and the window is going to be less trouble since, you know, there's the logs are cut and there's a window instead. And I'll probably leave behind the fireplace, behind the heat shield, I'll probably leave it be, not skin the logs, and I won't caulk it just because I don't want it to melt or anything like that during the winter because it gets, you know, decent heat. You can stick your hand behind it, but I don't know how heat resistant caulking is. So I'll just see how that turns out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I've been here for quite some time now. Probably like 3-ish hours. Over that, 3-4 hours just doing this. I've had, you know, adventures and going for walks and stuff. But yeah, so come back in tomorrow. Probably go back to camp now and relax a little bit. Back again now for a second day. I was doing a quick walk around now before because I was just sharpening my chisel and taking a break from being inside all the time. It actually really, the logs dried up a decent bit. It's actually a lot wider. Now I'm filming this on my cell phone, so you can't really see it. But if you compare like the wet logs from the inside to the outside, you can see that now it's pretty white compared to what it was. I'll give you guys a quick look from the inside of what it looks like. I'm about 80% done the back wall, and the only wall I have left now is this wall right here, which is the window wall. That's what it looks like so far. I'm almost done the back wall there. I'm gonna have to caulk all this. Now I have to do this, and look at the absolute mess. I took the bed out of here. I'm gonna have to hang everything back up on the walls. It's just absolutely just messed up. It's bark everywhere. I guess that's why they stripped the logs before the cabin's up, and it's a lot easier to do so.